Twin Cat IIE in Stunning Kevlar. Let's pop the hood and see what's going on. Here you have a gorgeous components layout. This boat is equipped with our new 200 amp ESCs. Improved motor bearings in copper. Our new configuration has longer motor wires because the ESC has terminals to plug in directly on the ESCs. Check out our steering. Our tried and true Oxidean OPS-L01 digital waterproof aluminum case chrome model year servo. Look at the mount. Full aluminum billet. No zip ties. Billet servo horn. Steering is guided by these cable routers on pedestals. Push-pull cable steering. Now let's get to the trays. Unique double-deck tray. Encases the on-off switches. Full carbon fiber trays. Now this is our special 1650 kV version. It has dual plugs on each side. That's for two 4S batteries per side, which gives you 8S operation, 8S twin. Our tried and true drive system. Anodized out drives. What we've got here is a true masterpiece. No other ready-to-run boat is nearly as powerful as this. 8S times 2